गुड मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मेरा नाम चंदन कुमार सिंह है। दोबारा से स्वागत है आपका इस वीडियो में। आज मैं क्लास 10th के लेसन नंबर 2 जो कि कंप्यूटर नेटवर्किंग है इंग्लिश मीडियम का, उसके बारे में आपको जानकारी देने आया हूँ। ठीक है, इस वीडियो में हम लोग कंप्यूटर नेटवर्किंग से रिलेटेड, कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क से रिलेटेड कुछ बातें करेंगे और उसके बारे में मैं आपको समझाऊँगा। बहुत ध्यान से समझिएगा और जो नहीं समझ में आता है उसे कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट लिख के मुझे ज़रूर बताइएगा। सबसे पहले इस वीडियो को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। ठीक है, चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं। कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क, व्हाट इज कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क? कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क इज composed of multiple connection connected together for the purpose of communicating with each other and sharing the data and resources. Okay, computer network is a resource that can connect more than one computer together with the any medium, a medium that will a wire or wirelessly, that is known as computer network. Okay, तो जो स्टैंड अलोन कंप्यूटर है, व्हाट इज स्टैंड अलोन कंप्यूटर? अ पर्सनल कंप्यूटर विच इज नॉट कनेक्टेड टू एनी अदर कंप्यूटर इज नोन एज स्टैंड अलोन कंप्यूटर। एक बार फिर से समझ लीजिए, ऐसे पर्सनल कंप्यूटर जो एक दूसरे से जुड़े नहीं होते हैं, जो किसी भी कंप्यूटर से जुड़े नहीं होते हैं, उन्हें हम लोग कहते हैं स्टैंड अलोन कंप्यूटर। ओके ओके, व्हाट इज, अच्छा इसमें एक सवाल और आता है, व्हाट इज नेटवर्किंग? नेटवर्किंग मीन्स व्हेन अ पर्सनल कंप्यूटर हैव बीन नेटवर्क्ड, इट इज नोन एज नेटवर्किंग। वंस अगेन, when a personal computer have been networked, it is known as networking. Okay, what is the need for networking? Which things we are want to network to send the data from one place to another place? These are the some need of networking through which we can work it. Okay, number one, to share computer files. It means network provide a very effective method to share the files with different users. Okay, when one user can send their file to other user, that is known as the to share the computer file. That is the first need of networking. Second one is to share computer peripheral. Peripheral means a device that are connected with the computer through the wire or wirelessly. It means some computer devices are very expensive, so we can share these devices to the other computer, and these are known as to share the computer peripheral. As like scanner, the latest printer are very expensive, so we have to share these systems to other peripheral. So why this is known as to share the computer peripheral. Okay, third, to enable different computer to communicate with each other. Communicate means to share the data in easy way, that is known as communicate. Network allow different computer to communicate with each other, just like computer with DOS can communicate with computer having Unix. These are known as the to enable different computer. Different computer means the computer can use the various operating system, or various companies are unable to communicate, are unable to send their data from one computer to another computer. That is known as to enable different computer to communicate with each other. Okay, next one is to improve communication speed and accuracy. What does it mean? It is possible that the mail from one place to another could take several time, okay, several days. So we can send the messages speedily through the networking, because each and every computer are connected to each other. That's why our data can go very fast, and it is possible to improve our communication and accuracy, because where we want to send our data only go there, not any other way. Okay, to reduce cost of data transfer. Reduce cost means computer is a cheaper way to transfer the data, so with the help of computer we can reduce the cost of data transfer. It means जैसे अगर पहले के समय में हम लोगों को कहीं जो है चिट्ठी वगैरह भेजनी होते था, तो उसके जो कॉस्ट होते थे, आज अगर हम अपना 1 महीने का पैक डलवा लें, उसमें हम लोग इंटरनेट का पैक डलाने पे उसमें हम लोग कई सारे ईमेल्स वगैरह भेज सकते हैं। जितने में पहले हम लोग एक चिट्ठी भेजते थे, अब उतने में हम लोग हजारों चिट्ठियां भेज सकते हैं। ओके, तो दैट इज द नोन एज रिड्यूस ऑफ कॉस्ट ऑफ डाटा। ओके, these are the various needs of networking in which we can send our data from one place to another place, and that is known as networking. Okay, elementary terminology of network. Elementary terminology of network, which it means before going to the detail of networking, we have to some terminology of network, because we have some places from which user can work there. That is known the terminology of network. First one is known as nodes. It means workstation where the user can work their things, are known as workstation. It is also known as nodes. The different terminals which are attached to the network and share the resources of the network are called nodes. Okay, when we attach a computer to the network, it become a workstation of a network. Workstation where user can work, that is known as workstation. Okay, next one is server. What is server? As you know, the particular computer that which is known as fixed address to provide the services to the network as a whole. The nodes are connected with these computer. These are as moral. The server is a main computer of any network, and that main computer is known as server. Okay. Okay, next है network interface card. Network interface card, it means NIC. NIC means the interpreter which help in the communication between the server and nodes is called network interface unit. It means it can connect the computer from one to another computer. That is known as network interface card, NIC. The network interface unit is a device that is attached to server and all the workstation to maintain and connection between them. Each network interfaces unit has a unique node address, and that is known as IP address. Okay, that is known as IP address. उसके बारे में मैं आपको इसके बाद वाली वीडियो में बताऊंगा, ठीक है। Okay, these are known as the interface, network interface card. Okay, now next one is client and server network. What is a client and server network? These are the components of the network. These are the various things of the network through which we can work on the network. First one is client server. As you know, as I tell you that a network that have the dedicated server are called client server networks. Dedicated server is a computer that is not used as a client or workstation, okay, but functions only as a server. That is known as server. All the communication from the clients is routed through the server, which handles it on their base and make the shared resources available to them. Okay, these are known as client server networks. It means when a server is a main computer of any type of network, so it can dependent, so the nodes can dependent to this server for their information, and server has all the information what workstation or nodes are wanted. Okay, so that is known as client server network. It means client and server are connected with each other in this network, and that is known as client server network. Okay, some advantages are also put in the client server network, and they are strong central security. Client server network has the best central security because server maintain all the security purpose things, so anyone cannot breach these security. Okay, next one is ability to server to pool available hardware and software, lowering overall cost. Okay, only server want the application software, and clients are also want the application software, so these software are lowering overall cost because one computer can handle many type of application software. Okay, easy manageability or large number of computer. Here these type of network can handle large amount of computer system into the network, so this network is a very useful for us. Okay, now second one is peer to peer network. What is peer to peer network? Peer-to-peer network do not have any dedicated server, okay, because in this type of network each computer function as a client as well as server, okay. In this type of network each and every computer are known as clients and every computer are known as servers. So this network cannot have any type of central server. Such network are easy to get up and maintain. They are also less expensive. Accordingly, they are well suited for a small organization. Peer-to-peer network are also called work groups. Okay, what is work group? Where each and every computer system are known as client as well as servers. These type of computer network are called peer-to-peer network. It is also called work group because every computer are connected with each other, okay. Now next one is, what is DNS, domain name system? It means domain name system is a distributive database. It means it can distribute to database the translating computer name like http /www.microsoft.com, .linux.com, gmail.com. These are known as the domain name system, where http hypertext transfer protocol can relate the address of any website are known as domain name system, okay. Domain name system are also known as DNS. Okay. DNS means domain name system. These type of system are known as to locate the website into the internet. So these are known as domain name system, okay. Next one is numeric computer IP address. What is IP address? It is known as internet protocol address. It means the as you know, the some of the websites or web pages are connected connected with these type of things, just like 101.94.100.01. These numbers are known as IP address. It is known as IP address, okay. Through this we can connect our internet to those pages through which we had to work on the computer. So these address is known as IP address, okay. Types of network. There are various type of network just like LAN, MAN, WAN and PAN. These are the several types of network. First one is LAN. It means local area network. Local area network. As you see here, these network are useful for one organization, for one small organizations. These type of network are very useful and it is called LAN, okay. Here the data transmission speed are very high. We can transmit the data as 10 kbps to 100 mbps. These type of network are connected with the wires because their geographical type of things are very small, okay, as it is known as local area network, okay. Next one is MAN. It is known as metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area means a network that can connect the computer of one city to another city. That is known as metropolitan area network. It can connect more than one city through the wire or wireless are known as metropolitan area network. It is a type of network through which we can connect, just like as you know, BSNL telephone are also connect these type of network as known as metropolitan area network. Third one is WAN. WAN stands for wide area network. WAN stand for wide area network. These type of area network can connect the whole world through the through the network, it is a type of network where all world's computer are connected with each other, as is known as wide area network. This type of network can can connect and transmit the data at very high speed, because here all type of data can transmit with 100 mbps to 200 mbp 1000 mbps, and it can connect the computer of the whole world. That is it is known as wide area network. Okay, last one is PAN. It is known as personal area network. Personal area network means it is an individual computer, a cell phone or a handheld computing system are known as personal area computer. Your mobile phone are also known as personal area computer. Okay, personal area network, and these type of network are or for the one user or client, that is known as personal area network. Okay, तो आज के लिए इतना ही रखते हैं, बाकी के अगले वीडियो में बहुत बहुत थैंक यू।